Hi guys, today we are looking at the
Fitpolo smartwatch. It is a smartwatch, a heart monitor and a fitness tracker rolled into one.
If you are new to our channel, we do awesome tech reviews and more, but mainly awesome tech reviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. The Fitpolo smartwatch / fitness tracker comes with a 1.3-inch OLED screen, 3-axis gravity sensor, a rechargeable battery and a heart rate sensor. To make sure you can use it when the sun doesn't shine, it is IP67 waterproof. It lasts approximately 2 to 3 days with a standby time of 10 to 15 days. What do you like about the Fitpolo smartwatch so far?
I love how easy it is to use and how light it is. You don't even notice that it's there.
Setting up the Fitpolo smartwatch was actually very easy. In order to power it on for the first time, you will need to hook it up and charge. The Fitpolo app makes the setup really like childproof. It immediately recognized the watch and connected the device right away. Within the application, you have a vast choice for customization. For example, you can choose different watch faces or just enable notification for messages and or mail. It will track all your activities all day long if you wish so. It can display how many steps you have taken, distance traveled, calories burned, activity time and so much more. It also has a heart monitor. Well, you know what? Let's go outside and test it. What we're going to do now is we're going to measure heart rate, and we have the Apple Watch as a comparison, not to compare both watches, but this is a reference we have right now, and we want to see how accurate the Fitpolo smartwatch is. Fitpolo on this side and the Apple Watch on this side. Let's see the results.
We have a 101 and a 106.
So we have 106 on the Apple Watch and 101 on the Fitpolo smartwatch. The Fitpolo smartwatch will vibrate to alert you if your phone receives a phone call or basically any application you have enabled, for example Facebook. Now let's go back to the fitness part of this watch. It has 8 sport modes like running, cycling, basketball or yoga, you name it, and off you go. It will vibrate to wake you up, drink water, or simply asking you to do some exercise, take your medicine or whatever you wish. The tracker will remind you to stand up and do your exercise, stretch your body and breathe fresh air when you are simply sitting too long. So the Fitpolo smartwatch costs around $30 US. Pricing wise, thumbs up. What do you think?
If you're looking for something to track your fitness, see what time it is and see what notifications are coming in, even check your heart rate, this is the one. It's a no-brainer.
Let us know in the comments below what you think about the Fitpolo smartwatch. Jens here from All Star Space.
Tony the Car Geek.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Peace out.